Hello guys and welcome to Skill Hangar WW2.
Hello guys, today I'm gonna do a really quick build. What I have here is two sets of plaster cast pieces for assembling a diorama. One is called Berlin 1944, which I'm gonna build today. Another is called Kampf in Köln, but this one I will leave for my future builds. I also got a bag of bricks, but I'm not gonna use them today. Today I would like just to show what you can do with this stuff with minimum effort. Just take this product out of the box, paint it and do a little weathering, and that's it. No scratch building, no extras, just pure lazy diorama building. But if you are interested how to build diorama from the scratch, have a look on my other video. I'm leaving a link here. By the way, there's more diorama videos coming soon. So this product is from a little company called Gero, based in Germany. I will leave a link in the description below. It's 1:35 scale demolished building casted in plaster. It was shipped to me to UK without any damage. Everything is nicely secured. This single set costs something below 16 euros, so it's very cheap compared to some stuff I've seen on eBay. You may see similar stuff there that cost around 15 British pounds, but if you read description you will notice that you don't get any base for it, just 2 or 3 walls, while here we have a really nice looking base. Of course the cast is not perfect, you can see air bubbles, you can leave them or fix them with putty. Also backside of a wall is just flat, no details whatsoever, but for its price I think it's still fair. Well, let's just say that it was left for your own creativity. Okay, last thing I want to say, I tested here a Bart Sharp 183 airbrush. Cheap and quality airbrush. It cost only like $33.99 including delivery in UK. Very affordable. I had some problems with it and contacted Bart Sharp on Facebook. It turned that I was an idiot, I just misplaced some piece, but I have to give this company a credit as their response was very quick and very committed to solve my problem as soon as possible. And I know I may sound like advertiser, but who knows me knows that I like to give support who deserves it. Now enough talking, let's watch the video. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please give this video a like if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't already, because this will help me a lot. And please, if you have any questions, just leave a comment below and I'll be happy to answer. See you next time, guys.